Hey guys, it's Technical here, and today we got the Havit HV-H2561 Bluetooth headphone. It's a budget headphone, and in this video we are going to unbox this. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So guys, here we got the Bluetooth headphone. Let me unbox it. Okay, it is taped and it is well packed. So I got to cut these tapes. Let me use a tool for it. This should work. Okay. Wow. Just wait a little. Wow. And okay. Oh no. Maybe I am cracking the box. Oh yeah. So here you can see how I unboxed it. Oh guys. Oh yeah. So guys, here it is. I finally got it. And here we got the headphone, the original Havit headphone, the original Havit HV-H2561 Bluetooth headphone. Let me keep it here, and let's see what is inside this. This is a Bluetooth headphone, but here we also got a cable so that we can use the headphone when we don't have enough battery left. And then here we got an USB cable. Okay, a poly bag. And we also got the manual. Maybe this is a service card. Now let me take a look on the headphone. This is really soft, and the build quality is really great. And now let me use it. Guys, it is really comfortable. Let me connect it with a phone to test it. Maybe here we got the power button. Okay. Now it is at the max volume. Sound quality is really great. I hope now you can understand the sound quality of this Bluetooth headphone. This is really great. It's a budget headphone, but it's really comfortable, and the sound quality is also great. So everything works fine, and overall I would say this is really a good headphone according to its price. It is relevant to its price. So if you wanna buy this headphone, you can go for it without thinking too much. It will worth your money. It is not available everywhere, but you can search for it. You might find it. You can search online, and it is so rare in offline markets. So you can search for it online if you wanna buy this. So guys, that's for today. If you found this video useful, please like it. If you have any question, problem or feedback, please write it in the comment box. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more tech and gaming videos like this. Like, comment and subscribe. Visit my website techteacher17.weebly.com for more. You will get it in the description of this video. And don't forget to check out my another channel. You will get the link of it in the description of this video. So thanks for watching and goodbye.